Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video, we'll be testing the CUAV C-RTK 3G5 using Network RTK correction services. We'll evaluate its real-world performance during position hold, aggressive flight maneuvers and return-to-launch operations. The products used in this test include CUAV C-RTK 3G5, Holybro Pixhawk 6X Flight Controller, CRC7 Remote Controller. Before the flight test, we perform a standard pre-flight inspection. After powering on the aircraft, do not install the propellers yet. Connect the flight controller to the UniGCS ground station and unlock the motors through the transmitter. Verify that each motor rotates in the correct direction. Once everything is confirmed, install the propellers and proceed with the setup. Next, enter the RTK settings page in UniGCS. Select NTRIP as the connection type and enter the server address, username, password, and mount point provided by your RTK service provider. After clicking Connect, return to the flight interface and verify that the GPS status has switched to RTK mode. Once RTK is active, the aircraft is ready for flight testing with centimeter-level positioning capability. The CUAV C-RTK 3G5 is CUAV's latest centimeter-level positioning and heading module. It integrates a high-performance STM32H5 processor and GNSS Plus technology suite, supporting multi-constellation and multi-frequency satellite reception, including GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QGIS. The module supports dual antenna heading, eliminating the need for traditional compass calibration while providing highly accurate heading information. It also supports CAN-FD high-speed communication and update rates of up to 20 Hz. Ensuring reliable position and attitude data even during high-speed flight and complex operating conditions. In addition, the C-RTK 3G5 features interference detection and warning functions capable of identifying radio interference and GNSS spoofing signals. We then conduct aggressive maneuvering tests. By rapidly changing flight direction and performing continuous high-angle stick inputs, we can see that the aircraft quickly regains stable attitude after each maneuver. Thanks to the high-precision positioning data provided by the C-RTK 3G5 and the powerful processing capabilities of the Pixhawk 6X, the aircraft remains responsive and stable throughout the entire flight. Combined with CUAV's Lock Plus technology, the module maintains stable satellite tracking even under high vibration and impact conditions, providing safer and more reliable navigation performance. Finally, we test the return-to-launch function. After flying the aircraft a considerable distance away, we activate RTL mode through UniGCS. The aircraft automatically adjusts its heading and begins returning to the takeoff location. As it approaches home, it gradually slows down and descends for landing. The results clearly demonstrate that Network RTK corrections enable the CUAV C-RTK 3G5 to deliver stable and highly accurate centimeter-level positioning performance. Whether during position hold, dynamic maneuvering, or autonomous return flight, the system performs exceptionally well, with noticeably improved return-to-home accuracy. That concludes today's CUAV C-RTK 3G5 Network RTK flight test. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about RTK modules, flight controllers, and drone application tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.